So in this video, I will show you how to enable Checkmate extension in Safari browser. Yeah, this is quite nice extension. It's just going viral these days. So just open your Safari browser, not Google Chrome, not Mozilla, on iPhone, and then tap AA in the bottom left. And then here you just have manage extensions, and then you can just enable Checkmate extension, something like that. Then probably you will need to reload the page. Always allow on every website. So yeah, something like that. So here there can be some issues. And then yeah, you can just allow this like that because yeah, there can be some issues. Of course, you also need to download Checkmate app from iOS App Store. And then it just takes some time. I don't know why it just keeps loading, probably because this app right now is in the top charts. So that's why. So you just search for this app, install it on, and then it should work. I don't know what the issue here is, but yeah, something like that. And then you just can go to any website and see all the deals on all the offers which this app has. Yeah, something like it. I don't know the whole list of the stores where this app is available, but something around it. Thank you for watching.